That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fun.
G-Wagon Jeep, tight pussy girl on the front seat.
Reporting live to you from Orlando, Florida. Came down to help Melissa's parents with some work on the house. We did that yesterday, so now that that's finished, it's time for us to play. So we're heading out for breakfast. We're gonna go get some coffee from the lobby, and then me and Melissa's mom are gonna go hit up Ross because that's a must. Okay, I'll check back in when we figure out what the plan is.
I don't usually do this, but can I sing to you? Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. All the shrimps and lobster towers, but it's me that gets devoured. Ooh.
Baby, yo, we did a lot of shopping today. Happy wife, happy life.
Swimming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours like nobody. And when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You just don't hold me once they hit. Felt like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. Then I met you. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine and ours, and yours mine and ours. I can sit and talk to you for hours, sit and look at you for hours, making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours, telling you jokes for hours, holding you close for hours, and hours and hours. Oh,
Having fun? Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I swear, guys, I really do get excited to come on here and say that. I hope you guys don't hate it when I say it, but me and my homegirl Adri, me and my bestie, we said that to each other every time we turn on the phone. And she said, good morning, lovely. And I said, good morning, bunny. When I say it to you, just know that you're a part of the circle. Yeah, you guys, I'm dressed. I am dressed for the day. I actually just decided to pick out some shoes. I decided, who can guess which shoes I'm wearing? Look at the outfit. Comment now. Comment right now and tell me which shoes you think I'm wearing. I'll wait. How cute is this look? This top is new. I couldn't wait, you guys. This is going to be a part of my haul. However, I was just too hot booty to wait to wear it, so I'm gonna wear it today. We are heading out for the day though, so I'm hoping that I could get some content for the new Instagram page. I did get some new shoes too, some new loafers. They are brown and I feel like they're so cute as well. They're from Indigo Road with this outfit. They're definitely more casual, I'll say that. They're definitely giving more casual vibe. They're not bad though. What do you think? I love these though. I really do love these loafers though. They're a little big. I probably should have gotten them in an 8.5 because it is a 9 wide. The sling backs is where it's at. For the look, how the hair looks, how the makeup looks, I feel like the sling backs would be better. I want to go with a very warm fragrant today, so I am gonna go with my Dolce & Gabbana The Only One. It's very grown, a little bit more mature. It's more like a deeper, warmer, it's like brown sugary type of smell. Now for bag, you guys know that I want to go for my top handle. Like right now, this is my winter bag of choice. Like I just love how this looks, and I just love a top handle moment, you know. Why do I have 2 water bottles in this bag? Like why? Oh, I smell so good. I look good, I smell good. Ooh, watch. Let's get on the watch. I'll do my JBW watch, of course. Yeah, that looks good. Okay guys, I think I'm ready. Anyways, I'll see you when we're in the car. Guys, we are currently at Mcal. We absolutely love it here. We've been here a few times and we were in the area, so we decided to pop in for dinner. And the first thing I want to show you guys is all the Turkish. How beautiful is that? So pretty here. I actually want to try and get some photos. Hopefully I can get some cute ones. Fingers crossed. We have our first course on the table. It's baba ganoush, and it's served with pita bread. So good. Hey guys, so sorry. I've been missing. I know I've been missing. Even though I'm missing on the vlog, I have been working, so there's videos. Go watch a video. However, we just got back. We went out early this morning to get some deliveries done. Sorry, to get some returns done. I had to return some things that I had gotten that didn't work out. We all know how that goes. I'm about to film my haul right now. I did mention to you guys earlier that I did do some shopping whilst we were in Florida. Let me not get into the rant because you know how me do. You know how me go on already. We will sit here and talk for the whole day and I don't have time to do that. Would you guys believe me that it is 4:36 in the morning? I haven't gone to sleep. I edited a video, thumbnail, description, all the works, and I think I finished uploading it maybe 2:30, and then I was like, okay, let's go to bed. Was just laying there and I kept thinking about the fact that the house needs to be cleaned, so I decided to just get up and get it done. We'll sleep later. It just means that once I'm done, I could shower and just go lay in the bed and sleep for a few hours. I'm gonna play some music. I'm going to start with the kitchen and just work my way back. I'm gonna hit the bathroom, the bedroom, definitely the closet, because if I do not clean the closet, I won't want to work, and that's where I do majority of my work. So I have to clean my workspace. Luckily, there's not much dishes in the sink. It's just cleaning up the sink, washing the counters, putting away dishes, sweeping the floor. I feel like I'm talking. So it is 5:53, I believe. No, 5:52. So a little over an hour we've been going at this, and we're able to clean the kitchen, sweep the floors, clean off the appliances, tidy the entryway area. We also were able to sweep the carpet and clean the living room. Melissa's office area is such an eyesore. I swear to God, one day she's gonna come home and it's gonna be clean, and she better not ask me where any of this stuff is. Now we have 3 more rooms to tackle. We have the bathroom, the bedroom, and my closet / office. I'm trying to be done by 7 a.m., which means that I have an hour and 5 minutes to get this taken care of.
So before you leave, make I give you all my love. Come take it, all my love. Take it, all my love. My God, why breathe? Gonna just wind up your body. But just the bitch at the closet that told me out.
Quick little time check. It is now 6:42. We have 17 hours to clean the closet. It shouldn't be too bad, but the bedroom is clean and we love it here. The bed looks so good right now. I just want to take a shower and put on my pajamas and crawl in the bed. You guys have no idea how exhausted I feel. I'm going to sleep so hard in the next couple of hours. Now it's off to the closet. Let's see. Oh my God, you guys.
Out the shit that makes me wanna back you. Even though we ain't official, you know I ain't no regular girl. But you so. As a bad girl, my play for 2 team. Make cocky beef up and me make pussy scream. And I'm Montana if you know what I mean. The girl one time, money body, but I in a shape and bad mind. Gonna bust it high and higher face, landmine. Marking at the scene, I'm a new phone name. Then I ask one for that, they blow me at the brain. So bad girl is Jane, the way me at the girl.
Pictures in my old flat, cold that, baby hold the pack, you can roll that.
G-Wagon Jeep, tight pussy girl on the front seat.
Baby, oh, you gotta be so open. It's just a ticket, but I'm inside addiction. Yeah. Baby, oh, you gotta be so open-minded.
You guys, there is no better feeling right now. All right, that's a little much. I can think of a few better feelings. Living room clean, kitchen clean, the foyer is also clean, and of course the bathroom is clean. Hop in the shower and put on my PJs. Oh wait, whoa, wait, how, let's run this back. No, that's better. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And until next time, love you, bye.